Hello, in front of me I've got WIKO U Pulse. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can manage mirror vision function. Then we can change brightness level of the display manually or via adaptive brightness. Next, we can enable or disable double color hint light for missed events, app notification, charging full and battery low. Then we can change wallpaper, sleep timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable or disable one-handed mode, press power button twice for camera, and then we can go to navigation bar settings. Next, we can set screensaver, change font size, display size, and manage when device is rotated to rotate the contents of the screen or to stay in portrait view. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.